demo you can see going on behind me. So today's gonna be an action-packed day. I can't wait to get to do all the activities. They've got a bunch of stuff planned for me. I'm gonna do a helicopter ride. I'm gonna hopefully drive a rally buggy. I'm gonna get to do a blind golf cart race, all kinds of fun stuff. So you guys make sure to subscribe and like and share this video. Let me know what you like the best down in the comments and do all the YouTube stuff so I can keep this channel going. All right, let's jump right into it.
I like this.
All right, we're here. We're gonna watch Farouk eat some hot chilies.
I don't know, is that Robert McKay?
I'm here for you, Farouk.
He's Robert McKay. Oh, what's up, Fielding?
I'm not competing, but I'm gonna watch you do it.
I'm not competing.
Oh, you're not doing it either. I'll help you announce them. Okay.
So Fielding and myself are on a show called Hyperdrive on Netflix. If anyone wants a car show that kids can really watch or their significant other, it's a good one. We both destroy our cars. I think, who had more damage on that show?
I'm pretty sure I had the most damage. I like totaled my car completely. I bent the frame and everything. It was bad.
Solid.
You had more like drivetrain problems, and I had more frame problems.
Either way, it was a good time.
I mean, I did hit a building at like 40 miles an hour, so the building didn't move.
Yeah, it's a good time. So we're gonna watch some people eat way too many peppers. I don't know. I think people are just backing out left and right, right? So we have two people competing. Dude, the chances for getting some prizes are amazing now. So hands on the table. Feeling you're the initiator.
All right.
One leg in the air.
One leg in the air? No. Wow. We need to go back to the first. Okay, both hands on the table.
Oh, hands on the table. Whoa, they're cheating. Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow.
You gotta eat the whole pepper.
I'm starting to think about life. Here we go. George, yeah, contemplating. Good stuff. Khalil, dude, the first two are solid. Now you slow down on me, Khalil. Robert is just, he might be inhaling them at this point. Wow.
Hey, put these back on your plate so you know.
Put them on your plate so we know which ones are here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hands down! Wow.
All right, how many we got?
That's intense. Okay, so I think that's yours. I think, okay, wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's just count. Somebody's got a paper?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a tie.
Okay, 2 5s over here.
What you got?
You got a 4.
You got 2. All right.
All right. So 2 5s. So you guys are the tires. Now we have a tie breaking. Do we have a?
We got a ghost pepper.
Well, we have the habanero peppers now. With their this is what they did last time. Yeah, I remember this part. This is a little bit cringeworthy. But what they're going to do is let's give them a plate of 5 each since they did 5, and they're okay.
Hold on.
That's a relative term, huh? Yeah. Good? Wow, that was intense.
You got yours down. If you don't get him down, if you don't get him down, then we got a winner, right?
No, yeah. I mean, if you don't get him down, let's give him a second to contemplate life. Get him down. Yeah. Okay.
This man's hurting right now. Hey, what are we doing with that? How hot were those? Hey, how hot were they? Were they not that bad?
Let's cheer him on. He can do it. Cheer him on.
This guy's pushing the No. Get that out of here.
I believe in you, man.
Yeah, you got this.
You don't call me this.
Don't get slow.
You are incredible right now. Just keep going. You gotta swallow it. Okay, I'm waiting. Robert, you tapping out?
All right, you got it.
Almost got it.
Nice round.
Woo! I'll give you a hug, but I'm trying to get a hug on it. You okay? The rhyme.
Don't say it out loud, bro.
The rhyme was sticking in his throat.
Don't say that out loud. No, it's no good.
I don't know why I'm pausing for the rhyme on the rhyme's behalf, but that's...
We got to do a rhyme check.
You won.
Nice job.
That was a little bit ridiculous. You don't seem like you did. It wasn't that bad. It was cool. It was cool. My dad eats like a pound of time every day. It was good.
Yeah. All right, you drive.
Yo, wait for I'll hold the video camera.
Yeah, we're doing it.
How did you die, right? It was a good story.
We're about to do the blind golf cart race.
Blind golf cart races. Goggles. Oppo, do you have your goggles?
Yep, and then straight back.
We're gonna do multiple heats, so you can drive second.
We're doing multiple heats?
We're gonna win this whole thing. So, yeah.
Oh, we move on.
Right.
Is that how this works? The winner move on? I like how the person announcing has no idea what he's doing.
That's how it works now.
So I'm just going to navigate through the mic, so this works.
Am I using these cones or those cones? So he's going that way. You're going. Oh, so he's got to go left on the little one, right on the big one.
So we're going to go right on the little one, left on the big one, and then a U-turn around Kyle. Or no, we're going to hit Kyle on the way back. Gotcha. Okay.
So yeah, you gotta tell me.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to do. How do
I can't see anything. Dude. You said nothing.
Nothing?
I'm trying to cheat and like look through the corner. Nope, can't see anything.
Yeah.
Completely blind.
Your normal tactics of cheating are not going to work here.
Yeah,
So let's.
that was good.
So who sounds the horn?
I'll do it.
You'll do it. Okay.
I'm not gonna hit
Justin's gonna
Kyle.
sound the
Okay,
horn.
good. I'm
Yeah.
terrified Kyle's like 1 inch in front of me.
He's 2 inches in front of you. It's
Just
fine.
Back here and make sure he stops.
Okay, so we got to make sure they stop a up-o. We got to go stop on the way back. You're rolling backwards. You're,
Already off to a great start.
oh yeah, this is gonna be fantastic. All right. Wait. Don't cheat.
Stand there, you gotta get the line.
How'd you know where the line is? Just blindfolded.
I wanted to see it.
All right, 10 seconds. 3,
3, 2, 1, go. Right. Oh, Sharper, slow down. No, you don't give us that one. Left. No, go right. Right. Keep going right. Keep going. Now you turn left. Left. No, you're gonna hit this. Oh my God! Ow. Okay, go backwards. Okay, now go right. Right. The other right. Oh, that is left. Go left. I'm sorry. Go left. Oh my God. I said other right. Now go straight. Now slowly. Wait, they gave up. Did they win? Oh, they won! Oh my God! I meant the other left. Oh man!
Wow, that was amazing.
That was phenomenal.
So good.
All right, so obviously we've done this before and our masters at this.
Wow.
Great job, team.
I love how we go over the crash.
Appropriate, yeah.
Alright, so who do we got next? Let's look at this.
Well, you guys know me too well. Hit a wall, as usual.
I think
Just keep straight. No, yes, go straight. Don't turn, straight. To the right. Straight.
That was nowhere close.
No, because you kept turning. Right. Straight. Right, left. Oh, shit! Straight. To the left. Whoa, stop.
that's impressive. That's a good one. I mean, it feels like you're cheating.
You just leave the cart, look at that.
So now it's Robert was it?
All right, we're going again. This time Farouk's driving since he doesn't know his left and right.
You right? And you've got to announce while I drive, which is going to be great.
Yeah, that sounds great. All right, what team are we racing?
We're racing Sparrow Speed.
Sparrow Speed versus team.
This is really scary.
We're driving into the wall. Wait, you don't have to wear it right now.
Oh, okay. Let's get to the start line.
I'm not gonna die until after he says go.
Oh, we're in the right lane again? Why do they keep running into the right lane? All right.
All right, so go straight.
They get it. See, that's not fair. They got to go straight.
No, we're gonna do the same.
Oh, we're going to go straight and then around that side.
First one, then left.
See, that was the confusing part.
Remember, you gotta go.
I tried to get you to go right around the first one.
Yeah.
That was wrong.
So right, left.
All right. Left on the brake. Stage it up. You're gonna drag.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, there you go.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Here we're ready.
No.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
So go right?
Left. Yep. Good. Floor it. Okay. Straight. Now right. Now a little bit straight. Now left U-turn. Whip it. Good. Looking good. Okay. Now straight. Straighten it out. To the right a little bit. No, right more. Wait. And stop. Woo!
Did we win?
You did it! Yeah! We almost got taken out.
Yeah!
That was great. All right, we're back in the heat.
You're a much better navigator than I am. Like, I think I don't know if I'm a better driver, but at least at this, yeah.
You're a better blind driver.
Fantastic. That was great. All right, so now who are the
finalists.
winners? Yeah.
Left. Go. Go. Right. Straight. U-turn. Pull it. U-turn. Gas it. Left.
Great job, guys. Thank you for doing silly things at HYPERFEST.
I love your car.
No, I know you. You did Hyperdrive?
Yeah, that was me.
I follow you on Instagram.
Nice to meet you.
Shredder, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's sick, dude.
I'm gonna have to follow you now.
Alright. Where's my guy with the stick?
Camera. Okay, here we go. Great. Oh man.
Just let me know if I need to get higher or lower. You're good height-wise for sure.
It's so much bigger than you'd expect. Look at it. Look at the cars. You can see a whole line of cars. I went off the jump, and it is not the fast way.